My new mechanical tester is finally far enough along to play with, or use responsibly for data collection or whatever. So I thought my little caster wheel build from a few weeks ago would be a perfect candidate for a first real test. So I loaded it up and got to squeezing. You can see here where the main bearing preload was overcome at about 200 newtons. I'd say this is where I'd call it, and really I'd only wanted at about half of that in operation, so about 100 newtons or 10 kilograms. Oh! That scared the shit out of me. Spontaneous disassembly at about 625 newtons, aka about 140 pounds, and boom goes the dynamite. Thanks for watching. I'm working on a video detailing the Mech Tester, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. And let me know if you have suggestions for stuff you think I should test. I'm open to ideas.